All right, ladies and gentlemen, greetings everyone, and welcome back to Authentic Media. So there's this particular platform that is currently trending right now, and it's called Trusta. So this is a Naira-based platform that is currently trending right now. So I saw a lot of trends around it, and it's giving me a lot of vibe to dive into it and give it a try. So in this particular video, I'm going to be introducing this particular platform to you guys, how it works, how to get started, how to get your earnings right here. That's how to start earning, how to start making money, and everything this particular platform is entails. That is everything this particular platform entails. Okay, but mind you, this is not a financial advice, so if you are joining, make sure you are joining at your own peril. Okay, so here is it. I'm going to be dropping the link in the description section and comment section of this particular video. So all you have to do is just to tap on the link. Once you tap on the link, this is where it is going to be bringing you automatically. So you have to fill all your details right here. Make sure you fill all your details to the end. Then after filling your details, you click on create account right here, and automatically that will take you to the dashboard. So for me, I already have account right here. All I have to do is just to click on login for me to enter. So here it is. I just have to enter my details. I'll click on login. So let me take you guys to the interface. Beautiful. So as you guys can see, this is how the dashboard and the interface of this particular platform looks like. Okay, so like I said, I have a lot of vibe to just give this particular platform a try. As you guys know, I don't normally do Naira updates like this, but I'm very much convinced and interested to give this particular one a try. So if you're also interested to give it a try, go ahead and give it a try immediately after watching this video with the link in the description section and comment section of this particular video. Okay, so after signing up, all you have to do, the next thing is for you to go and fund your wallet and get started and activate your account so that you will start earning right here. Okay, so let me click on this particular activate button so that you will see the plans available. So if you click on activate right here, you can see upgrade your plan. So they have about 4 plans right here, or 5 plans. So the minimum plan right here is 750 naira. Then the second one is 1,500. The third one is 3,000, while the fourth one is 6,000 naira. So the minimum that you can use to join this particular platform is 750 naira, while the maximum is 6,000. So you have to know where your power is. Know your risk limit. Know your risk limit when it comes to platform like this. So all you have to do is just once you join and upgrade your level. So these are all the things you're supposed to know. So this is the bonus for referral. So if you join with 750, you are going to be getting 150 per task. You have 2 posts to attend to every day. That is 2 calls, and you upgrade right here after funding. So the higher your upgrade, or let me say the higher your plan, the higher your access in the platform. Okay, so the highest right here, which is 6,000, you are getting 4,000 as bonus, and each task you perform on the platform gives you 800, and you have access to free 7 courses to learn, which is very, very massive. So this particular platform have a lot of things in store for the community, so you can come right here and learn a lot of courses for yourself and also impact that knowledge. So this is it. So after you join, you fund your wallet and activate your account real quick. So this is how the dashboard looks, and it looks very clean and neat to me. So you just have to take your time and navigate through it. So what do you have to do? Once you sign up and enter this dashboard, you click on this particular place that they say funds. All right, when you click on funds right here, you will see something like generate account. So you have to tap on it. The reason why they are showing me my own account is because I've already generated it, so they are showing me to copy my account number because I've already generated it. So you have to click on generate, then click on confirm account, then automatically they will give you your own personal funding account right here. So all you have to do is just to copy the account and go to your bank and make your funding. Like I said, this is not a financial advice. If you are joining, just know that nobody owes you any financial responsibility. It's all left for you. Okay, and always know your risk limit when it comes to platform like this. So once you copy your account number, you see what they say right here. Important notice, this particular transaction doesn't support OPay, so don't make use of OPay to deposit right here. So I would advise you to use your normal bank, your normal Nigerian bank, to make your deposit. Okay, so for me, I have to copy my account right here, and let me go straight to my bank and make my deposit. Then after that, we'll proceed. Okay, so let me copy my account. I think I copied it earlier, but let me still recopy it again. So let me copy it and head straight to my bank and make my deposit. So for me, I'll be making use of my Zenith Bank for this particular exercise. So as you guys see, they want us not to use OPay. So make sure you are using a registered bank. You can use your Zenith Bank, your UBA, your First Bank, your Access Bank, and so on and so forth, and make this particular deposit. So let me just put my details and proceed. Make my deposit, then we move from there. Okay guys, so I'm done making my transaction. The next thing is for me to go back to the platform. So as you guys can see, I went for the highest plan right here, which is 6,000 naira plan, and I'm not saying that you too should also go for the highest plan. Okay, so the choice is yours for where you can afford. Like I always say, it's not a financial advice. Always do what you can afford. Okay, always invest what you can afford to risk. That's how it works. So let me wait for, okay, they've already debited me, and as you guys can see, automatically my account is already funded right here. So you guys can see I currently have 6,000 naira in my wallet right here. So all I have to do is just to go ahead and activate my account. Okay, so if you click on your wallet right here, you can still see what you have. So after you are done funding your account, the next thing is to come to activate right here, and you know the amount you funded and the plan that you want to go for. So I'll just click on this particular plan, which is alpha plan, 6,000 naira, and it says upgrade. So I'll just click on upgrade plan, and you can see confirm and pay. All right, you can see account upgraded successfully to alpha. So my account is now upgraded successfully to alpha, and as you guys can see, I don't have anything in my wallet anymore. So once you are done choosing your plan and upgrading your account, the next thing is for you to come to this task session. All right, so that is where you earn daily. If you click on task session, you click on social task, and you see the two tasks that you have to perform daily. So you guys can see it. This one will give you 800 naira. This particular social task will give you 800 naira. The task instruction, read carefully. Here is what you need to do. So you just have to take your time and read what they ask you to do. Okay, so I don't have to make this video too lengthy. Once you are done reading what you're supposed to do, you click on perform task. Okay, so once you are done performing the task, then you come back and click this particular one that says completed, and the account is going to be credited with 800 naira. So you come back again and click this one, which is task, then click on sponsored task. Okay, then you perform your second task for the day. So you have two tasks to perform daily, and the second task also will give you 800 naira. That is 1,600. So let me just quickly perform these tasks and we move from there. Alright guys, so as you all can see my screen, I'm done performing the task, and you can see end. So I've already performed the task. So do well to take your time and make sure you spend at least a minute once you are out to perform the task, and make sure you like, engage on their content, on their posts, like, give reactions and everything. Just make sure you do the needful. And as you guys can see, my account has already been credited automatically with 1,600, which is 2 tasks for the day. So you just have 2 tasks to perform every day. With this type of task, or let me say with this amount of task, within 4 days your capital is out. You understand? So that is just basically that is just all you have to do to be earning. Number 1. Then number 2 is referral. So you can come here, you copy your referral link and invite your family and friends, or you can still come here, copy your referral link, share it to your family, your colleagues, your friends, everybody. But always let them know that this is investment platform. Let them risk what they can afford. Let them invest what they can afford to risk. Always be loyal and always be honest and always be straightforward whenever you are looking for whatever you are looking for. Okay, let them know what it is, how they should earn in it, and so on and so forth. And if you come to this activate plan level, you will see what you stand to gain once anybody enters your platform, or let me say once anybody joins through your link. So according to them, it is going to last for 1 year by the grace of God, but let's just wait and see how it goes. So if somebody enters your link with this particular list plan, you are getting 400 referral. The second one, you are getting 900 referral bonus. The third one, you are getting 2,000 referral bonus. Then the first one, which is the last and the biggest, you are getting 4,000 naira referral bonus. So this is another way to earn right here. And according to this team, because I messaged them and asked them questions about the withdrawal, because that is the most important thing that all of us need to consider when it comes to investment platform like this. So I asked them how does the withdrawal works, and according to them, they told me that any withdrawal that you got from affiliate, which is referral, you can withdraw it daily from 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. but your task withdrawals is twice in a month, on the 20th and on the 30th. That is when we can apply for task withdrawal. So that is what they told me. All right, so today is 12th of June. So if you join after watching this video, you are going to be eligible to withdraw your funds on the 20th. Let's just say 8 days to go. So I will just advise us, if you wish to give it a try, just get on board immediately after watching this video. This is just a step-by-step guide on how to get started and everything you're supposed to do. Make sure you perform your task daily and onboard people. tell your people about it. Anybody that is interested, still onboard them. If you're also interested, get started. But just know that this is not a financial advice. You owe yourself responsibility for all your financial actions, or let me say every activities that you take with your finances. So that is just basically that in this particular update. So if you take a look at the bonuses right here, that is the top people on this platform, you can see that Zubi currently holds over 700,000 right here. Number 2 have 150 something, while number 3 has 80,000. So this is based on ranking. You understand? This is based on ranking, both referral and task all together, but more of referral. So that is just that right here. Okay, so if you're interested, get started immediately after watching this video. I'll see you guys in our next one. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your weekend, and bye for now.